want to come from this side too? Okay. I know what I'm working on, not your video.
Yeah, no, it's from your hand, sure, but no.
See if you can go back a little bit and scan more of the whole machine. Yeah, scan further back. And see if you can get the name of the machine up on the headstop. Get on the other side. Kind of booger up the end because it's not too heavy out there. Okay.
In order to do this, you had to take a cutter and cut this all out.
All right, that sounds good.
Hey guys, so I got about halfway through doing this, and I realized this might be kind of fun to show off. And I can add it with some other footage. So this hole here is leftover door framing from when we were working in the guest house, okay? We put up some nice new wood framing. You should have earlier seen us actually putting the radiuses on the edge of it to make it look all nice. Well, now we gotta get rid of all this shit. The best way to do it, put it in a plastic bag. You got the big trash bag down here. And I don't know how far you can see back, but this thing's easily 8 feet long because it's door framing. So I stacked all the pieces up, and I figured, hey, let's let the saw decide how long I cut it. So I have it right about the length here. Now, safety guards are always nice. Never mess with your safety guard. Now, you don't normally hold it like this. You should always hold it here and there, but I'm going to do it this so you can actually see. And it's all far away, don't hold them like that because I have them all launching off the table now. Always keep your hands clear of this area when you're actively using it. You see, I got my hand all the way over here. So, I'm going to keep chopping it. Oh, ow, ow, ow. I got a bit of metal in my shoe. I got to go sit down and take care of that. I'll talk to you guys later. So this here is the saw contraption thing, and he's already used it once to straighten out the edge line, and now he's going to use it again to get it even straighter, and he had to make a couple of parts to go on it. But we'll see that in a few moments. Alright, so we got this thing set up. Oh, you need the other sack of,
You need a cord.
yeah. So, before you run this thing, tell me some more about it. So tell me what
Don't know yet.
Oh, okay.
We aligned it to the wall here
Yes.
on both sides.
Yes. I see you put some nuts at the end of the bolt before it goes right into the plate there.
Yeah, to keep it in the same position. And right in here is that step that we're gonna make.
And these
them all
sacks
to
of,
that. That's gonna be the shortest distance, supposedly.
yeah, and then you're gonna try and match that same depth across the entire length here.
Right.
And these sacks of pellets are to help weigh it down and stabilize it.
Right.
Cool.
Okay.
So, but you've already cut. Oh, there's still a ledge over there you need to cut also, huh?
Yeah, but these are all longer. That's the worst one right there.
All right, no, let's go ahead and see you run this thing.
Let's get the cord.
Right here. I see you barely shaved off anything, but you can still see that you cut something.
Yeah, we still have a little residue at the very bottom, but
But
we'll
we can
hit that
probably
with
get in there
another
with a
tool.
chisel.
Well, we'll get the vibrating tool to cut that, but at least the top edge is what we're trying to get.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And then I slide it all
Move it
over
over.
here.
All right, a little more.
So this is how we used that pieces of wood I showed earlier. We carved off the edges, rounded the edges, and then we put them in place of the door frame. We didn't edge off this part because we thought, what's the likelihood of somebody trying to Mario jump their forehead into that? That's not going to happen. We were worried about these edges and the rounded edges. And then this is how the door looks from the outside. Let me turn it on. Yeah, we got the rail up there, and it rolls in place. And this is supposed to be like a 1 or 2 person occupancy, so there's really no need to have locks on the doors in here because you're either by yourself or you're with your girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever. And we got the same thing over there on the other door. Don't know if you guys remember, but when I was doing my hubcap video and my scourge video, I actually had my review table set up right over here. But backing up, this is, the walls are different color. All these walls over in here were all a dark green. I repainted all the walls, so now we got this nice color. I repainted the cabinets. We didn't change the countertops. We did all the floors. I did most of the floors actually, just hammering it all in place. And then back over here, and the softening there, we gotta clean up that edge so we can lay some more wood in place down there and have that all finished. But the guest house is coming along very, very nicely. We did this closet here originally had these things mounted straight into the wall, but they were just screwed in and there was nothing holding them in place in like the wood beams or whatnot. So we took these pieces of wood and these pieces of wood, stained them, got them all nice and pretty and all water resistant, and then we used those alligator clamping things, put them into the wall and screwed that all in so that when we put all the racks back up again, it won't come caving in on you. We haven't decided what to do with the closet doors yet, but we're probably going to get more hardware and just mount those doors back in place. If anybody watching this is looking to rent a place in Kentucky, you know, hit me up on Messenger or leave a comment down below and we'll get in contact. I don't know how much my dad's wanting to rent this place out for, but if it's just you and your girlfriend, you and your boyfriend, whatever, you and your husband, you know, it's a nice place. We'll get it all cleaned up and all finished and polished up, but yeah, we're about 15 minutes away from the college, 15 minutes from shopping and restaurants, and you know, there's lots of nice hiking and walking areas around here. There's parking just out front, no washer or dryer for your laundry, and no washing machine, but you know, we're gonna put a stove there, we're gonna get a fridge here. Be a pretty nice setup. And there's laundromat like 15 minutes away. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna stop recording and edit this together and upload it as, you know, us working on the guest house. So thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.